Welcome to this quick tutorial on creating a job for a new customer in Servis Software. Follow these simple steps to efficiently manage your new customers' jobs. Let's get started. First, log into your Servis Software account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Jobs module on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can manage all your job-related activities. On the Jobs page, click the Create button to start setting up a new job. Select New Customer. You'll be presented with the options, like in our previous video, to create an individual, a single customer with a single address, or a company, a business or company with one or more addresses and contacts. In this example, we'll create an individual, select individual, and select next. Fill in the customer's name, email, phone number, and address.
Select the appropriate job type from the drop-down menu. Job types help categorize different kinds of work you do. Select the appropriate job tags, which will help you categorize down the track. Set the job schedule by choosing the start date, time, and expected duration. This ensures the job is planned and resources are allocated correctly. Assign the job to the relevant worker or team. You can select this from the list of available workers in your system. Now, when it comes to invoicing, you have three options. Number one is to manually invoice them, which converts the invoice to the job when it's complete. Secondly, on job completion, you can generate invoices when the jobs have been marked as complete. And thirdly, you can set it to never, which doesn't invoice for this job. If necessary, any additional information such as materials needed, special requirements, or notes on the workers can be added down below. Once you've completed the form, just quickly check and make sure that all the information is correct. And then once you're done, you can either choose Save and Plan, which will take you to your scheduler, or you can set Save and View. In this case, we'll just Save and View. And that's it. You've now set up a job for an existing customer.
And that's it. You've successfully created a job for a new customer in Servis Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.